What's going on, Gulf Coasters? Today I have a pretty cool video for you guys. I'm going to switch it up a little bit from all the land-based fishing and stuff like that. My girlfriend recently just purchased a kayak, so I decided to take her out to the bay to a couple of spots that are a little calmer. Nothing real crazy out there by 3 Mile Bridge, and just to try to get some fish in the kayak. We happened to run across several schools, the biggest schools of ladyfish that I've ever seen in my life, and everybody knows who's caught ladyfish. They're so much fun to catch. As you guys will see in this video, I get so excited when I catch them. It's just like catching little baby tarpon. But you guys go check this out. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to it. Alrighty guys, oh my God! Ladyfish! That was so cool. Yeah, that's a nice ladyfish there. Look, it's spinning me around. That is a big ladyfish. Holy crap. Come on, baby, hurry up. He's coming back around. That is a jumbo lady. Oh my God. That's the biggest ladyfish I've ever caught in my life. Woo! Come here to daddy, boy. Yes, sir. Beautiful fish right there, guys. Y'all check out this ladyfish. God, that is an absolute bruiser there, y'all. I mean, as soon as that bait hit the water, he was on it. We'll get this hook out of him real quick. Alrighty, y'all, check out the size of that freaking ladyfish. We're gonna go ahead and get a release on this guy. And there he goes. Holy moly, y'all. We got another one on right now. Oh my gosh, I love catching these things. They are so much fun. Woo! Woo! Oh my goodness, y'all, check this dude out. We have another lady. Oh, and he just spit the hook. Look, spit the hook, got him in the net, y'all. You boat up? Yeah, Jordan's got one, y'all. Check this out, guys. We're out here busting these things right now. I'm gonna go ahead and try to let this guy go. There he goes. You got one? Yes, you do. Oh yeah. See if we can get another one on real quick. I ain't even gonna pay attention. Yeah, get your net, baby, get your net. No, it ain't, that's a ladyfish. Yes, y'all, look at that. Baby, get your net. I just seen this school, y'all, from like across this little gut. Yeah, that's a nice one there, baby. Holy moly ravioli. Yeah, boat up, boat up. Yes, got another nice ladyfish on, y'all. These things are, oh my God. Oh, is that almost looked like a largemouth bass, I swear. I know it's not, but that's what it kind of looked like. Look at this, guys, ladyfish towing me around in a little kayak. Holy moly ravioli. Oh, this is a streamer here, y'all. When I fish with these fish, I use really, really light drag so that when they jump and stuff like that, they won't like immediately get off the hook. These dudes are notorious for that. That's another nice one. Baby, right here, baby, right here. They're popping again. Oh, yes, sir. All right, I'm gonna tighten up a little bit on him. Oh, that's another stud ladyfish. Where's my net? I lost it. Oh, he's foul hooked too. That's why he's fighting so hard. He's foul hooked. Foul hook! See if I can get him over there and get him real quick. Come here, buddy. I'll get you out. Come here. There we go. Shoo! Another ladyfish, y'all. These things, I'm telling you, these are one of the funnest fish to catch on light tackle, y'all. It's just like a tarpon, but I mean, check this dude out. They go airborne like tarpon. They call him a poor man's tarpon. Look at that thing, y'all. Oh, peeing all over me. Thank you. Get out of here. All right, y'all. Let's see if we can't get some more fish for you. Oh my goodness. There he is, there he is. Yes. Oh, did he get off? Oh no, he came off. Hold on. Watch, he'll hit it again. He got my bait. He might have got my bait. Let me check. Oh no, we're still golden. I'm gonna make another throw. Long throw out there too, huh? Oh, there we go. Oh, baby! Load up! Oh, it came off. Dang. They're so good at that jumping. I'm gonna loosen my drag a little bit. That's the problem. I think I got my bait all knotted up. Yeah, I thought so. Let's switch real quick. Alright, and put your bait out there too. Baby, just start throwing. Got him? Shoo! Oh yeah. They're real fun. They'll pull you around in a kayak. Baby, be careful, don't roll. Baby! Woo! Straight out there, throw it. There's a bunch of them. Yeah, I got it on video. Well, you got a rockfish? He might be foul hook. No, he ain't foul hook. I feel him head shake. God, this is so cool out here. Oh wow, that's another giant ladyfish. Oh my goodness, that is a giant ladyfish. Oh, that's a big bluefish. What is that? No, we're not. No. Oh shit.
Oh, there you go, baby.
Yep. Holy moly, that is the biggest bluefish I think I've ever caught in my life. Is that a jack? No, that's not a jack. I think that's a blue. I can't tell. He's swimming around in circles doing 100 miles an hour. Oh my goodness. Baby, just throw it out there, I'm telling you. What is that? Oh, that is a giant. Oh no, I think that's the biggest bluefish I've ever seen in my life though. That's like a northern bluefish there. Jeez. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh my gosh. That is the biggest bluefish I've ever seen in my life. Hold on, let me get the fish grip for this dude. I'm sure. But let me just hit it. How about that? Good break. Alright. Good golly. Alright y'all, so we are rolling up right now on a fish explosion. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch my first cast. Everybody knows what we throw inshore in Pensacola, Florida, matrix shad. First cast. What are those? Let me get another one in. I need to get it in there closer. Get it in there in that action. There we go. That's gonna be a fish on right there. Told you. Oh, that's a ladyfish. Yep, y'all saw that second cast into this thing. First one, oh, it popped off. No. That's alright, we're gonna get us another one. Watch this. It looks like there's some bigger ones back a little bit farther. Let's see if I can get my bait over there. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. These are giant ladyfish, it looks like. I mean, I can feel them hitting my line. Good golly George. Oh wow, you bowed up? Good, catch him. Watch this, I'm finna bow up. Golly, these are huge. This is insane right now. Oh, oh. There he is, got him. Oh, there he is. Oh my God. This is nuts right now, y'all. Holy crap. Alright, y'all, we got another fish on. Another, oh, what is that? That's another ladyfish. Woo! This is so fun. There is nothing better right now. Fishing's been kind of slow, so we moved over here on these schools. Look at that. I mean, come on, y'all. You cannot beat that. You cannot. I mean, look, they're popping all around us, baby. Get him in the net. Woo! Just like that, guys. Wow. All right. Well, once again, off the hook.